definitely obvious. It's amazing how yellow the reverse light looks, the old one, compared to the new one. Hey guys, thanks for watching the vetting process. Today I'm going to show you how to access the bulb on the reverse lights to change those out. The stock ones are really yellow, and I'm putting some LED ones in so they look nice. They kind of match the fog lights and the headlights on the car, just that nice ice blue. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I've already done the one on the passenger side, and it wasn't that bad. I did not lift the car. It would be easier if you lifted the car to do it, but you can pull it off without lifting the car. I'm going to show you how, as I do the driver's side over here. So all you are going to need is a 9/32 socket wrench. That's what I used. And then you're just going to need some precision with your hands. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Here we go. Okay guys, so you can reach the bulb kind of by sticking your hand back here, kind of between the exhaust and behind the light there, but you need a little more leeway to get your hands back there and twist the bulb out and connect the new one. So what I did is I took out this screw and this screw, just these small screws holding on the plastic rear fascia here. So there's 4. You can go over here and you can undo these as well, but I don't think you need that much room. And again, you risk other stuff kind of coming out of place that makes it just a little more difficult to put back together. So these are the 2 screws I'm taking out with my 9/32 socket wrench, and then I'm going to do my best to film back here a little bit of me changing out this bulb. I have taken pictures, and those were hard enough to do with it just being such a small space. Okay guys, so this is where the bulb goes, back here, and as you can see, I unplugged the old one. It just snaps right out. And I'm going to try and put the new one back in and squeeze my 2 hands back in there and turn it. Again, I had to turn it counterclockwise to get it out, and I'll be pushing it in pretty firmly and turning clockwise to get it back in. So here we go. Okay, so I've got the new bulb plugged into the fitting here, plugged into the wires, and now I'm going to stick it back in the hole over there, and I'm just going to let it rest in there while I go start the car and put it in reverse. And have someone look and tell me if the light is working or not. If it is, then I will turn off the car, and I obviously will twist it and put it in all the way, and we'll be good to go. So here. Okay guys, I've got the bulb in there, and we are gonna see how it works. All right. I got that reverse light working. They look really, really good. That blue, that light ice blue to match everything. All the other lights on the car is just so much better. Hey guys, thanks for watching the vetting process. I hope this video helped you out, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos. As always, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. That would be so awesome. Alright guys, we'll see you later.